I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Wix versus Pixie. We'll explore their core functionalities, focusing on ease of use, design flexibility, and e-commerce capabilities. Understanding these differences is crucial for choosing the right platform for your online presence. We will also touch upon their respective pricing structures and overall value propositions, helping you make an informed decision for your website needs. When it comes to user experience, Wix shines with its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making website creation accessible even for beginners. It offers thousands of professionally designed templates, providing extensive customization options to match any brand aesthetic. Pixie, on the other hand, might present a more specialized interface, potentially requiring a steeper learning curve. Its design flexibility could also be more focused on specific functionalities rather than broad visual appeal. For e-commerce, Wix provides robust tools, including secure payment gateways, inventory management, and customizable product galleries, supporting businesses of all sizes. It also boasts a vast app market, allowing users to extend functionality with various integrations for SEO, marketing, and analytics. Pixie's e-commerce capabilities, while present, may be more basic or tailored to niche markets, and its range of additional features and integrations could be more constrained. Regarding pricing, Wix offers a free plan and premium option starting around $16 per month, catering to diverse budgets and needs. Pixie's pricing structure might be more varied, potentially offering specialized or custom plans depending on its niche focus. Ultimately, Wix is a versatile choice for a broad audience, while Pixie might be better suited for users with very specific, unique requirements, making platform selection dependent on individual project goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.